scan this. Sophie is here. Let's level up. Calculus limits can be tricky, but finding a removable discontinuity is actually quite simple. Let us break down this problem in under 60 seconds right now. For the limit to exist at x equals -5, the denominator 0 must be canceled out. This means the numerator must also equal 0 at x equals -5. Substitute -5 into the numerator expression and set it to 0. This creates a simple linear equation that allows us to isolate the constant k for our answer. Solving for k gives us 15. This value ensures the factor x plus 5 cancels, making the limit exist at -5 while maintaining the vertical asymptote at 5. Smart move. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sophie. Don't skip asymptotes or miss removable points. Always set the numerator to 0 for limits.